In a small village, there lived a girl named Artie. Her dream was not small. She wanted to become a government officer. But bigger than her dream was her struggle. Every morning at 4 a.m., she woke up to do household work, help her mother, and then study using old books. While the world was sleeping, Artie stayed awake, fighting for her future. She gave her first government exam, failed. People said, government jobs are not for girls. She tried again, but this time, the exam paper got leaked. An entire year was wasted. That night, Artie cried a lot. But the next morning, she sat down with her books again. Slowly, relatives started taunting her. What's the point of studying so much? Just get her married now. Government jobs are not for everyone. Even her father started feeling pressure from society. One day, in anger, he said, "Enough now, Artie. Close these books." That night, Artie sat alone on the rooftop. She whispered to herself, "One last attempt. Just one last attempt." A few months later, her biggest exam arrived. But destiny tested her once again. On exam day, heavy rain started pouring. The bus broke down. Her phone stopped working. She had very little money. Everything was going wrong. People told her, "Leave it. This isn't your destiny." But Artie kept running. Through muddy roads, completely drenched in rain, holding on to one small hope. And finally, she reached the exam center. Only 2 minutes were left. She gave the exam. Now all she could do was wait. But her family fixed her marriage. Deep inside, Artie was broken. She started believing that maybe dreams only come true for rich people. The wedding day arrived. Artie sat in a mandap as a bride. There was noise everywhere, but inside her heart, there was silence. And then suddenly, her younger brother came running toward the mandap. He had tears in his eyes and a phone in his hand. "Didi, you passed the exam." The entire wedding hall went silent. Artie's hands started shaking. She looked at the phone. Her name was there, on the list of selected candidates. Her mother started crying. Her father lowered his eyes in guilt. The same relatives who once mocked her were now saying, "Forgive us, Artie. We never understood you." Tears rolled down Artie's face, but this time, they were not tears of pain. They were tears of victory. She held her father's hand and said, "Papa, if I had given up in the middle, this day would never have come." Powerful ending line. Sometimes life makes you fall again and again because it wants to see, is your dream bigger or your fear of failure?